Good morning, students. Today in maths, our topic is ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are these numbers which indicate the position or place of an object or person. जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि कौन सी चीज, कौन सा पर्सन कहाँ पर है, कौन सी वो उसकी पोजीशन बताता है. जैसे कि वी हैव हियर 12 balloons and we are giving their names also like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. I had given here names to these balloons. Now these are 12 balloons also. I mentioned there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have to find out here which balloon is at which position by solving one small exercise. Okay. Now solve with me. Okay. Rima have 12 balloons and she want to put them in a sequence. Now we have to find out which balloon will come at the first position by searching from here. So which balloon is at the first position, which balloon is at one number, we will say that it is at first position. So we can say one number as first position, 2 number balloon as second position, 3 number balloon at third, 4 at fourth position, 5 number balloon is at fifth position, 6 number balloon is at sixth position, 7 number balloon at 7th position and 8 number balloon is at 8th position. So we will find out here which we have to mention here balloon's name also, on which place is there. Second number balloon is B, so we will write here B. Third number balloon is C, so we will mention here C. 4 number balloon D, 5 number balloon E, 6 number balloon F, 7 number balloon G and 8th position balloon is H. So in this way we can mention the balloons positions by showing as ordinal numbers. These are ordinal numbers. Those tells the position of anything or a person. In this way we can show other balloons places also, on which place are there. Okay students, so in this way you have to solve the exercise 1.6 in your book also. Okay.
Now students, in exercise 1.7 you will learn about making bigger and smaller number from two-digit numbers. Example, we have two numbers in single way. These single digits we have. Now these are two digits but at one spaces these are. Okay, so now we have to make here two-digit numbers, one bigger number and one smaller number by using these two digits. How to make bigger number? What is the rule of bigger number? Bigger at tens place and smaller at ones place. How to make bigger number by using these two digits? We have tens and ones place. You obviously know that two digit obviously made of tens and ones number. Tens and ones places. So, 1 bigger at tens place. 8 is bigger. So, we will write here 8 at tens place. Which is smaller? 4. So, we will write 4 downside the ones. And what is the rule of smaller number? Smaller at tens place and bigger at ones place. Which is the smaller number between these? 4. So we will write here at tens place, and which is bigger number? 8 is bigger, so we will write bigger number at tens place. In same way, you will make other numbers by using these digits, single digits. and you can make two-digit numbers bigger and smaller by following these rules. For bigger digit at tens place and smaller at ones place. To making smaller digit at tens place and bigger digit at ones place. In this way, you have to solve the exercise 1.7. Okay, students?
Now students, in exercise 1.8, you will learn about even and odd numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers, those have 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 at ones place. These are called even numbers. And odd numbers, those have 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 at ones place. These are called odd numbers. Now we have some numbers here. You have to find out which are even and which are odd number. Now 73. There is 73. It is even or odd. We have to check their ones place. Which is the ones place here? Now students, look there. 73 is even or odd. Check their ones place. If the ones place have 0, 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Is it there? No. It is 3. Ones place number 3, so it is not even. Next number 51. Check its ones place. Is it 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8? No. So this is also not even number. Now look there. 62. Its ones place number is 2. So is it 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8? Yes, 2 number at ones place. It means it is even number. So we will write this number in even column. Okay?
Okay, students. 73 is not even. 51 is not even. 62 is even because it has ones place number is 2 and even number is 2. Okay, now in next number we will find 85 is already written here. So which number is at ones place? 5. So 5 comes in even numbers? No, it is not coming in even numbers. So it is not even number. Now come at 9. It is already single digit. So we can check it. 9 is coming in even numbers? No, so it is also not even number. Next number 24, we will check its ones place. Which number at ones place? 4. So 4 comes in even numbers. So we will write here 24. It comes in even numbers. Those numbers we have crossed, these are odd numbers because they have their ones place number as odd number. Like 3 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. And 9 is also an odd number. So we can write all these numbers in odd column. So 73. Now we will write the full number. 51, 85 and 9. In this way, you have to solve the exercise 1.8 even and odd numbers by following these rules of even and odd numbers, how to find out even and odd from a group. Thank you.